Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best guaranteed stop-loss brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Guaranteed stop-loss brokers in forex trading offer a unique feature designed to protect traders from significant losses during volatile market conditions. A guaranteed stop-loss is an order that automatically closes a trade at a specific price level to limit potential losses. With this type of stop-loss, the broker guarantees that the trade will be closed at the specific price, even if the market moves quickly or gaps during news events or economic announcements. This contrasts with standard stop-loss orders, which may not be executed at the exact level due to slippage in fast-moving markets. Guaranteed stop-loss brokers provide a valuable tool for risk management, offering peace of mind for traders who want to minimize the risk of significant drawdowns during unpredictable market movements. Traders who are searching for some of the best guaranteed stop-loss brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best guaranteed stop-loss brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Admirals. Admirals is a renowned financial brokerage firm that has established itself as a prominent player in the global financial markets. With a commitment to providing comprehensive trading solutions, Admirals has become a trusted destination for traders seeking a reliable platform to navigate the complexities of the financial world. Admirals offers a diverse array of trading instruments, providing a comprehensive platform for investors to explore and capitalize on various financial markets, which include forex, commodities, indices, stocks, exchange-traded funds, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. Admirals prides itself on delivering a user-friendly interface and advanced trading tools that empower users to execute their strategies effectively across this extensive range of trading instruments. The broker offers a cutting-edge suite of trading platforms designed to meet the diverse needs of traders across the globe. And these are the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. Their platforms are accessible across various devices, including desktops, tablets, and mobile phones, ensuring traders can stay connected to the markets anytime and anywhere. Admirals offers a range of carefully crafted trading account types to accommodate the diverse needs and preferences of traders. Tailored to suit various trading styles and experience levels, these accounts provide a comprehensive and flexible trading environment. These include the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 account types, with demo and swap-free Islamic account options. Regardless of the chosen account type, traders benefit from the advanced technology, educational resources, and comprehensive support that Admirals provides. Admirals is committed to empowering traders with knowledge and skills, offering a comprehensive array of educational resources to support their journey in the financial markets. These resources cover essential topics such as market basics, trading terminology, and risk management. They also provide interactive webinars and tutorials, which further enhance the learning experience, ensuring that beginners can navigate the complexities of online trading with confidence. The educational resources at Admirals are not only informative but also practical, equipping traders with the tools they need to make informed decisions. Overall, Admirals stands as a trusted and innovative force in the world of online trading. Committed to providing a dynamic and user-friendly platform for traders of all levels, With a diverse range of trading instruments, cutting-edge platforms, and a wealth of educational resources, the broker empowers traders to navigate the financial markets with confidence and expertise. Whether one is a beginner seeking a solid foundation or an experienced trader looking for advanced tools, Admirals caters to a wide spectrum of needs. The platform's commitment to transparency, security, and continuous improvement reflect its dedication to delivering a superior trading experience. At number 4 on our list is HYCM. HYCM is a renowned global online trading provider that caters both to retail and institutional investors. Established in 1977, HYCM boasts a rich history in the financial industry, making it a trusted and respected name among traders worldwide. Located in London, HYCM operates under the regulatory oversight of reputable financial authorities, ensuring a secure and transparent trading environment for its clients. HYCM offers a diverse range of trading instruments, providing traders with access to various financial markets. These instruments include Forex, commodities, indices, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and ETFs. HYCM's comprehensive selection of trading instruments empowers traders to build diversified portfolios and seize opportunities across various financial markets. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the HYCM proprietary mobile application. Their account types include fixed, classic, raw, as well as demo and Islamic account options. Each of these account types provide traders with unique features and benefits, allowing them to choose the account that aligns best with their trading goals, risk tolerance, and preferences. HYCM is also dedicated to empowering traders with knowledge and expertise through its comprehensive educational resources. Whether you're a novice or an experienced trader, HYCM offers a wealth of educational materials to enhance your trading skills, which include webinars and seminars, video tutorials, ebooks, trading guides, market analysis, as well as a variety of trading tools, such as economic calendars and calculators, to assist traders in their daily activities and risk management. With these educational resources, HYCM strives to empower traders with the skills and insights needed to navigate the financial markets successfully. Whether you are just starting your trading journey or seeking to refine your trading strategies, HYCM's educational offerings are designed to support your growth and development as a trader. Coming in at number 3, we have HFM. HFM, a leading financial services provider, is a trusted name in the financial industry. HFM is dedicated to delivering top-notch financial solutions and services, navigating the complexities of the financial landscape. They are committed to providing clients with tailored and innovative strategies to meet their unique needs. HFM offers a diverse selection of market instruments to trade, including Forex currency pairs, commodities such as metals and energies, stocks, indices, bonds, CFDs on commodities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Clients can benefit from HFM's commitment to staying at the forefront of market trends, ensuring access to an extensive range of investment opportunities. With a focus on innovation and efficiency, HFM's trading instruments are supported by advanced technology, providing users with a seamless and responsive trading experience. Featured platforms are available on the HFM proprietary trading platform, as well as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Users can choose from a variety of platforms, each equipped with advanced features, real-time data, and intuitive interfaces. HFM ensures clients have access to cutting-edge trading solutions, enabling them to execute trades efficiently and stay informed about market trends. Featured accounts are available on Cent, Zero, Pro, and the Premium account, with Demo and Islamic account options. These trading accounts are designed to accommodate varying levels of expertise, offering flexibility and choice to its clients. With competitive spreads, cutting-edge technology, and a user-friendly interface, HFM's trading accounts are suitable for both novice and experienced investors. HFM is dedicated to empowering traders with knowledge through its comprehensive array of educational resources. These resources are thoughtfully curated to cater to traders of all skill levels, providing valuable insights into financial markets and trading strategies. They offer a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, webinars, and more. Whether you're a novice seeking to understand the basics or an experienced investor looking to refine your skills, their educational resources offer a wealth of information. Overall, HFM stands as a leading force in the financial landscape, offering a wealth of opportunities and resources for traders and investors. With a commitment to innovation, HFM provides a diverse range of trading instruments, advanced platforms, and tailored trading accounts to meet the dynamic needs of its clientele. The emphasis on education underscores HFM's dedication to empowering individuals with knowledge to navigate the complexities of the financial markets. At number 2 on our list is eToro. eToro, a prominent online trading platform, has established itself as a leading player in the financial technology industry. With a user-friendly interface and innovative features, eToro has become a go-to platform for individuals seeking to engage in various financial markets, offering a unique blend of social trading and investment opportunities. eToro allows users to connect with a global community of traders, share insights, and replicate the strategies of successful investors. eToro offers a diverse array of trading instruments across various financial markets, providing users with a comprehensive platform to explore and invest. Traders on eToro can access a wide range of assets, including Forex, stocks, indices, commodities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. eToro empowers traders to explore and invest in different asset classes, fostering a comprehensive and accessible trading experience. eToro's trading platform stands out as a cutting-edge and user-friendly interface that caters to both novice and experienced traders. With a commitment to simplicity, the platform provides an intuitive environment for users to engage in various financial markets seamlessly. eToro's platform offers a unique social trading feature, enabling users to connect with a global community of investors and even replicate the trading strategies of successful peers. Whether trading stocks, commodities, or other assets, eToro's platform combines accessibility with advanced features to enhance the overall trading experience. The broker offers a range of trading account types that are designed to cater to diverse investor preferences and trading styles. Whether one is a seasoned trader or a beginner, eToro provides options to suit individual needs. These accounts include the personal account, the professional account, their corporate account, and Islamic accounts, with demo account options. eToro also offers an innovative feature called the Copy Trader, allowing users to automatically replicate the trades of successful investors. As a well-established online trading platform, the broker understands the importance of empowering traders with knowledge, and to that end, it offers a comprehensive suite of educational resources through the eToro Trading Academy. Tailored for traders of all levels, The eToro Academy serves as a valuable learning hub, providing a wealth of educational materials, tutorials, and articles. Through the eToro Academy, traders can enhance their knowledge, refine their strategies, and stay informed about market developments. Overall, eToro stands as a leading force in the world of online trading, offering a user-friendly platform, diverse trading instruments, and a wealth of educational resources. The broker has successfully created a space where traders of all levels can thrive, whether one is interested in stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, or social trading. eToro offers a comprehensive and dynamic trading environment. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best guaranteed stop-loss brokers, we have XM. XM is a beginner-friendly forex broker that was founded in 2009 and is based in the United Kingdom. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the HYCM, the HYCM, and FCA, and currently have over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM account, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM offers a total of 4 trading account types, and all accounts except for the shares account have a minimum deposit requirement of $5 with no commission fees. All accounts also have negative balance protection and can be converted to swap-free accounts. In addition to these 4 trading accounts, XM also offers a demo account with a virtual balance of $100,000, and you can choose a platform type, a base currency for your demo account, an account type, the leverage you would like, and the amount you want to invest. For clients of the Muslim faith, XM also allows all accounts to be converted to swap-free accounts. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news, a variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and more. More experienced traders can use advanced trading tools such as MQL5 and Forex calculators if you are searching for any additional resources with XM. And those are some of the top 5 best guaranteed stop-loss brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.